All right, congratulations are in order. Why? You've come this far, and that's no mean feat. So congratulations. I really appreciate you not giving up and working with grit and coming this far. Okay, and believe me, it's not easy, and you've done it. I think definitely that's fantastic. So what do we do now? Okay, now that you've learned patterns, the one thing that didn't really happen was many of those patterns didn't look realistic, wouldn't you say? They were made up positions. It was like end game position, which might not happen all the time, right? But many times the game needs many more pieces on the chessboard. It's not always going to be just a king and a queen and for you to do a checkmate and one using hug of death. So what we're going to be doing now is seeing how those very patterns that we learned is going to get applied in actual games. Okay, so we're going to start with the checkmate patterns one. What I would suggest is you can stop the video here, go to your Leeches account and see if you can solve the first set of puzzles, which is essentially back rank mate. There are 4 puzzles in back rank mate of difficulty that keeps increasing, an order of difficulty that keeps increasing as the numbers increase. Okay, the first one is quite simple. All you need to do is think about the check, move the rook, and you're done. The second one is going to get slightly more complicated, where again, if you'd like to solve this by yourself, please pause the video, go to your Leeches account, solve 1, 2, 3, 4 back rank mate, and then come here to verify the solutions. Okay, now there are 2 correct answers here. Either the rook or the queen can actually capture the rook, and the other one captures it back for a checkmate in 2 moves. The next one is checkmate in 1, relatively very easy, but still back rank, even though it's actually a side file mate. Rook comes here, checkmate, king is trapped by his own pawns. The next one though is slightly harder. If you could get this, I wouldn't want to know who you are. So definitely please leave a comment saying I was able to solve back rank number 4. Okay, for those who couldn't and would like to know how to do this, it's not a blind checkmate. The most common mistakes people make here is to just go do this one. This is really bad because the bishop kills it and then there's no checkmate. You're actually losing the game. And if you were to go all the way back and try to give a checkmate by coming here, even this is equally bad because it gets blocked out and you don't have a checkmate. It actually takes a bit to think about this problem. And the correct answer is an intermediate check where you push the king in and then you leverage the back rank mate. That's how you do it. So if you got back rank number 4, puzzle number 4 correct, please leave a message saying I did number 4 here. Okay, I'd like to know. Alright, so that covers the first checkmate pattern in actual game situations. So in the next video, we're going to be looking at hooks mate.